guys, welcome back to Mystery Toys. Today we're going to be using our Just Like Home magical microwave to put these different colored Play-Dohs inside. And then we're going to see what cool surprises come out of our microwave. Are you guys ready to get started? Let's go ahead. First we have the color red. Wow, and who do we have here, you guys? It's Marshall from Paw Patrol. Check out his red fire hat. He's a Dalmatian dog. Next, let's use the color orange. Oh, look you guys, it's Zuma. He has his orange helmet on. He's ready to dive in. He looks so adorable. Alright guys, let's put the color pink next. If you guys thought Sky was next, then you were right. Here she is with her pink goggles. This pup's gotta fly. Let's do the color yellow next. I wonder what it will be. Is that Rubble? Yes it is! Rubble on the double with his yellow construction hat. He's ready to dig. Next we'll use the color green. I wonder who will be next. Don't lose it, reuse it. Yep, that's Rocky, you guys. He has a green hat, just like the color green Play-Doh. And lastly, we have the color blue. Who's missing, you guys? If you guessed Chase, then you were right. Chase is on the case. He has his blue hat. He's ready for duty. He's ready to help out Ryder. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Check out all our cool Paw Patrol pups. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time with another video from Mystery Toys. Bye for now guys, and thanks so much for watching.